biggest conference in the asphalt industry is here in the charming city of Baltimore. Highlights from day one of the record-breaking show are coming up next on World of Asphalt TV. Hi everyone, I'm Rhonda Craig with World of Asphalt TV, and welcome to the Base of Innovation. A record-breaking more than 7,000 professionals from the asphalt industry are here in Baltimore for the World of Asphalt show and conference. This is the one place where attendees can come to get all of the resources they need to become more productive and efficient.
Count of three. 1, 2, 3.
And with that, the show floor open for business. New technology, new equipment, and new solutions. More than 450 leading manufacturers and service providers are here to showcase new products and technologies aimed at the aggregates, asphalt, pavement maintenance, and traffic safety sectors. Here on the show floor, I'm surrounded by technology that has the potential to revolutionize the industry. Just minutes ago, Volvo unveiled its newest technology. It's just one of the many new items debuting here at the show floor.
And with that, I'm very proud to unveil the Volvo Intelligent Compaction with Density Direct. This is a patent that we have from Volvo that is innovation. We've been working on this for a long time. And with this Density Direct, we're quite unique. And so we can actually measure, the operator can see the calculation of the density in the asphalt. Which is totally new, and that's good for our customers, and of course it's good for us too.
So we've brought a lot of new features this year for the World of Asphalt show. Big features on the MTV. We've made some changes, added some additional options. One of the first things is our truck backup lights. So this is just an assistance for trucks as they back up, delivering asphalt to the machine.
This is our Guardian telematics system. What we have is the ability to diagnose and troubleshoot any issues in the field. We can provide the owner and operator visibility on what's actually going on in the field, how many tons are coming off the belt, going into that truck, how many trucks we've loaded, how long it's taking to fill up the truck, all those sort of things that the owner wants to see.
Well, you're looking at the 621F, and new here at the show for 2015, we introduced the Tier 4 Final. And as far as the emissions go, what this is using selective catalytic reduction, SCR. So you do have an after treatment fluid that would go in here, and very low maintenance. There's no downtime, there's no regeneration that takes place on here whatsoever.
Our latest and greatest is the Zonar 2020 tablet. This tablet now encompasses all of the technology that we've been doing in the past, from the electronic vehicle inspection, which is the world's only verified inspection component, tying in the driver, the vehicle, and then different regions around the vehicle as they go through to ensure that they are walking the full vehicle.
We're showing our new P32 system, our 2D system that we have on for the asphalt pavers. This would be our new GC35 box. Again, it's a 2D system. It'll do elevation control with our sonic trackers. It also does a slope control as well. So fully automatic system.
For attendees, this is a chance to get their hands on the latest and greatest before anyone else in the industry.
Right now we're actually interested in the RP 175, that's the asphalt paver. Actually 8-foot grade is ideal. From where I'm from the Bahamas, it's ideal for the size roads that we have. So that's what we're looking for.
Anything to do with the construction industry, from hand tools to the biggest piece of equipment you've seen, it's here.
Bargains. There's a lot of good bargains here. Come out and get your bargains.
When they weren't checking out this massive showcase of new products, attendees were taking advantage of educational opportunities. World of Asphalt and Ag1 Academy and Expo have joined forces to bring attendees more than 100 expert-led education sessions. This session focused on leadership in the 21st century. For the first time ever, we have 4 generations in the workplace. And with the arrival of the electronic age, it's soon to be 5. Attendees were encouraged to do away with the outdated top-down approach, in which top-level managers make all of the decisions that determine the direction of the company. Instead, leaders should begin implementing a more cross-functional model that makes the best of everyone's talents. One leadership model that is effective for all generations is transformational leadership. Here are 4 qualities you need to be a transformational leader. Idealized influence. Have high standards of ethical conduct and high levels of trust. Inspirational motivation. Build confidence by praising more than you criticize and thank your workers. Intellectual stimulator. Encourage problem solving at the lowest levels and encourage people to think for themselves. Individual consideration. Recognize each person as an individual with unique needs and wants.
The question that he brought up, somebody comes to you and says, I have a problem. First thing I say is, what is it? And then I inherit that problem. So that was eye-opening to say, okay, well, how would you solve it?
To achieve consistency and quality, it's crucial to understand best practices on paver operations. Speaker Jeff ENSEL with ROADTEC drew a standing room-only crowd as he walked attendees through managing their crews and balancing weather, traffic, and equipment changes.
What's the first question that your boss asks you every day?
ENSEL says strong leadership takes listening, recognizing the strengths and weaknesses of each crew member, and good communication.
As far as the screeds and setup goes, this is another thing that falls lack with a lot of crews. They don't set up properly. They get in a hurry because a lot of times they get out to the job site, they're not ready to go, and they are hurried for time. Maybe they had mix coming and they didn't realize it, again because of communication. You get out to the job, you set up, and they're in a hurry and they take off, and it shows in the end result.
The newest developments in using asphalt rubber were explored at this afternoon session. Putting scrap tire rubber into asphalt does not return the same results every time. Speakers wanted to stop misinformation and share advancements in techniques.
There's a lot of new technologies that have been developed over the last 5 or 10 years that really address, particularly in the pavement preservation area, issues that were before your only option was maybe total reconstruction. And now, there is an alternative. Maybe some people are not too crazy about, going that route, but cost-wise, it drives it a lot of times with money.
One of the things I took away was that it really has a lot longer lasting effect than on some very bad roads. Some of the pictures that were shown were, 10 years after the fact, and the road beforehand looked it looked like brick cobblestones basically, and the pavement afterwards with the surface treatment very much looked like a standard road that might be starting to crack but not really looking all that bad.
This is also the place where companies come to launch new initiatives. During this press conference, Stedman Machine Company launched a new campaign that encourages consumers to expect more from their horizontal shaft impactors. World of Asphalt is happy to support the I Make America campaign. On Wednesday, help support America's transportation infrastructure by joining us for a brief rally in support of a long-term fix for the Highway Trust Fund. That's Wednesday at noon near the BKT Food Court.
It's overdue in Washington. Congress has been showing too much inaction on this, and tomorrow you're going to see some industry leaders convey the importance of this legislation to all the businesses that are here at World of Asphalt this week.
Well, that's it for day 1 of conference. We'll be back tomorrow with even more industry news, education sessions, and conference highlights. For World of Asphalt TV, I'm Rhonda Craig. We'll see you tomorrow.